The Monster and the Missing Cookies by Triya Dwi P. Early one morning, Rara is reading her favorite book. Suddenly, she hears a noise.
Rawr! I want cookies. I will take them to my tower and gobble them up.
Who was that? And why were they eating her favorite cookies? Rara wants her cookies back, so she follows the crumbs to her closet. Inside, she discovers a fantastic forest. Ahead, Rara sees the monster crossing a swamp. She quietly follows behind. Rara hops to stay out of the water. Far ahead, she sees the monster. It is climbing a hill covered in white bushes. The hill is surrounded by a lake of lava. Rara must cross a narrow bridge to get closer. Rara finds the bushes are soft and fuzzy like pom-poms. She wants to stop and rest, but she wants those cookies more. But how will Rara cross the lake? The pom-poms make perfect stepping stones. Safely across the lake, Rara sees a cave. She hides inside, waiting for the right time to grab the cookies. Rara watches the monster from inside the cave. What is it doing? When the monster goes away, Rara comes out of the cave. The cookies are on top of a tower. How will Rara reach it? Rara builds a stack of stones. She climbs to the top. But just as she reaches the cookies,
Daddy Monster is hungry. Give me the cookies.
Rara gives her father a cookie. Why did you put the cookies up high, Dad? So you wouldn't eat too many. Mom called. It's time for lunch. Over lunch, Rara tells everyone about her fantastic adventure, and they all have cookies for dessert. Hey there! Don't forget to like and share this video. Also, please leave your comments below.